Hey kids, today we're making a farm diorama. Some fences, some grass for the animals, a pond with rocks around it, and a road for the tractor. Okay, let's get our first animal. Oh, who's this? It's a donkey. Okay, let's open up the gate and pop the donkey inside. Did you know donkeys cry just like humans? Wow! Okay, we've got our next animal. It's a goat. Let's open up the yellow fence and let them in there. Goats love to eat grass, so they would love being in here. Oh, who's this? It's a little turtle. Splash! Turtles love being in the water. We've got two animals in the tractor. It's a sheepdog and a sheep. Sheepdogs help round up sheep and get them inside fences. Okay, let's see if this dog can get the sheep inside. Good job. Okay, let's put the sheepdog over here so he can watch the sheep. Who's arriving now? Oh, they look familiar. It is two cows. Cows make a moo noise to communicate with other cows. It sounds like this. Moo. Okay, let's pop them inside with the other animals. Then we can pop them inside the barn. Oh, who's this? It's a goose. Alright, let's pop the goose on top of the chicken coop. Okay, let's open up the barn to let the cows inside. Cows like to rest inside to get away from the weather and get some sleep. Oh, the tractor's coming. Who's this? It's a pig. This one is a female pig because she has an udder. An udder helps feed her piglets. Don't forget to shut the gate. It's a dog and it looks like they want to have fun in the pond. Nice one. Who's in the back of the tractor? Oh, it's two little chicks and a white hen. The chicks are baby chickens and the white hen is a female chicken. Let's pop them in the chicken coop. Chicks grow inside eggs and break them open when they're ready to hatch. Wow! Who's this? It's a possum. Possums are nocturnal and love being out at night. Ooh, who have we got in the tractor? It's a brown horse. And it looks like it's hungry because it's feeding from the ground. Let's pop it over here. Who's this? It's a rabbit and a white rabbit. Boing. Oh, and we've got a lorikeet and they're gonna sit next to the goose. Who have we got in the back of a tractor? It's a lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep and I think they're looking for their mum. Mum! Ah, here she is. Come on, little lamb. Whoops! Let's fix up mum. Alright, come on, baby sheep. Oh, now they're together. Don't forget to shut the gate. Who have we got in the back of the tractor? It's a big llama and a baby llama. Okay, llamas also love to eat grass, so let's pop them in here with the goat. Farmers keep llamas on farms to help guard animals like sheep. Don't forget to close the gate. It's a swan and I think they're gonna land in the pond. Splash! Oh, the tractor's bringing in an animal. It's a brown horse and it looks like they brought some grass with them. Okay, Let's pop the grass down so that the horses have something to eat. Horses love grazing on grass all day long. Oh, who have we got in the back of the tractor? It's a rooster, some lettuce and another rooster. Okay, let's pop the roosters and the lettuce back here so they can enjoy their food. Okay, let's move the road over so we can build a new section. I wonder which animal is coming. Here they are. It's 3 alpacas. We've got 2 baby alpacas and 1 big alpaca. Okay, they love eating leaves off trees, so let's pop them next to the trees. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, who's flying in? It's a kookaburra. Let's pop them down here. We've got some baby animals. It's a baby pig and a lamb. Okay, let's see if we can find their mums. Oh, the baby pig has found the pig, and let's reunite the lamb with the sheep. There we go, they're all together now. Oops, they fell over. Let's straighten them up. Oh, and we've got a baby donkey as well. Okay, let's find their mum and make sure they are together. There we go. Everyone's together now. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, it's a cat. It looks like the dog's chasing after them. Looks like the cat is going to make a quick getaway. Nice one, cat. I don't think the dog's happy. We've got a duck coming in. I think they're going to land in the window. Nice spot. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!